Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Polkadot price prediction and Polkadot news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Polkadot in 2022. Polkadot is an open-source sharding multi-chain protocol that facilitates the cross-chain transfer of any data or asset type, not just tokens, and thus makes a wide range of blockchains interoperable with each other. This interoperability aims to create a fully decentralized private network managed by users, as well as to simplify the creation of new applications, systems and services. Polkadot was created by the Swiss-based WEB3 Foundation, which was founded as an open-source project to build a fully functional and user-friendly decentralized web. Its founders are Dr. Gavin Wood, Robert Habermeyer and Peter Chabin. Today we will consider news about Polkadot cryptocurrency. Crypto exchange scraps fee charges for Ukrainian customers. To show its support, Local Bitcoins is removing trading fees for Ukrainians using the exchange, including those within and outside the country until further notice. In a press release, Local Bitcoin's chief marketing officer, Jacob Blomberg said, "Local Bitcoin's core value is freedom. We understand that at the moment Ukraine is facing extremely challenging times. For this reason, Local Bitcoins has removed all fees from its Ukrainian users." The exchange added via Twitter that the move means that all registered Ukrainians have a free wallet to use to send and receive Bitcoin. Ukraine will also have a viable means to convert donated bitcoins to their local currency, hryvnia. Crypto transactions have seen a marked spike in both Ukraine and Russia in the about 7 days the conflict has lasted. Per data from Coinmetrics, crypto exchanges operating in Ukraine including Binance, Local Bitcoins, and Kuna have seen significant surges. Hryvnia trading pairs with Bitcoin, BTC, Ether, ETH, and stablecoins like Tether, USDT, have risen to some of their highest levels ever, the report added. Meanwhile, Ukraine continues to see massive mobilization of support from the crypto community. Crypto donations to the government of Ukraine, as well as other entities and NGOs supporting the country, have surpassed $50.9 million, going by Slomist's dashboard, monitoring the various crypto wallets. The government of Ukraine has also been expanding the number of cryptocurrencies it accepts from donors. Having added a Polkadot DOT wallet yesterday, it has today added an official Dogecoin Doge wallet. Ukraine has also announced that it will carry out an airdrop for crypto donors. Bitcoin's price recovery continues. The price of Bitcoin continued to trend upwards in the last few days, reaching an intraday high of $44,634 today. However, at the time of writing, Bitcoin is trading at around $43,700, down 1.8% in the last 24 hours. The market has defied fears that sanctions may be placed on crypto, as governments try to isolate Russia's economy. However, analysts have dismissed the fears, saying that crypto, especially Bitcoin being a public ledger, would not prove viable for Russia to use in circumventing sanctions. So next news. Polkadot, DOT and Firepin token, FRPN, two altcoins that could outperform Bitcoin, BTC, in 2022. Bitcoin, BTC, is number one when it comes to cryptocurrencies. It has established itself as the market leader, and shot to its all-time high price of $69,044.77 in November 2021. Whilst an investment in Bitcoin, BTC, wouldn't necessarily be seen as a bad thing, the potential for huge gains and pushback from buyers in the past couple of days, which saw the MACD climb past the zero line, as Gala rose from the range lows at 21 cents to $0.235. Once more, the range lows could be retested by the price. The MACD was below the zero line once again as bearish momentum solidified. So next news. Why Polkadot's recovery might just depend on this metric's 3-month high. Polkadot and its pair chains have created a niche for themselves in the DeFi space, cumulatively accounting for $1.31 billion. And, looking at the investors' response to these pair chains, it seems like their auction will play a major role in pulling Polkadot out of its price slump. Going once, going twice, and Affinity, the winner of the 6th pair chain during the second round of pair chain auctions, is scheduled to be onboarded on Engine on 11 March. With 3 days to go still, Polkadot is already exhibiting some bullishness. Even so, with the broader market still in a state of fear, prices have more or less consolidated for a while too. In terms of development, Polkadot is looking at the next pair chain auction ending in 2 days which, by the looks of it, will be won by Nodal. Described to be crowdsourced, decentralized IoT, Internet of Things, network, Nodal intends on leveraging Bluetooth Low Energy, BLE, via millions of smartphones and routers to allow enterprises and smart cities to connect IoT devices to the Internet. Voters seem to be liking the possible implications of this project, which led to heavy support in favor of it. Its closest competitor was the cross-chain money market Equilibrium. All in all, with Nodal looking to win the next auction by 11 March, DOT prices already seem to be improving. The squeeze momentum indicator, for instance, pictured the first green bar in more than 2 weeks. Furthermore, with the ADX climbing above 25.0, the active trend could see more strength provided the trend changes to an uptrend. In fact, there is an actual possibility of recovery beyond just positive price indicators, as investors' sentiment is now at its best since the crash in December. As soon as the same turns positive, the possibility of a rally recovery would become stronger. However, to draw investors back in, Polkadot will need to show some sustainability. Currently, the market value of Polkadot is stuck under the bearish zone under 1.0. Also, the returns on investments are negative beyond acceptance. Ergo, once that changes, Polkadot might just be in a significantly better position on the price charts. Well, as always, by the end of the video, a little analytics and forecasts for the coming years for those who are going to invest in this cryptocurrency. In recent months, investors have shown increasing interest in the crypto space due to its rapid price growth and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Polkadot (DOT) a good investment? Polkadot Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Polkadot (DOT) prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $24.40. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Polkadot's maximum price could be up to $27.45 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Polkadot Course Prediction 2023. The OTs have huge potential, with certain interactions and innovations, an increase in the number of users, and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investing in Polkadot, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $40.82. DOT is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $35.11, a minimum price of $34.13, and a maximum price of $40.82. DOT Price Forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Polkadot price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average DOT price will rise to around $49.06 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year may end with a maximum price of $59.25 with a minimum price $47.65 level. DOT Price Prediction 2025. DOT will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Polkadot price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the Polkadot exchange rate will be almost $65.94. The maximum bet we can get is $82.47. Polkadot End 2025 average price forecast could be around $67.90. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. In principle, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to share the video with a friend and turn on the notification on the channel so as not to miss new videos.